So I hope everyone is having a good day. I'm excited about this. I know Reagan is especially excited about this because I've never done it before. I've never done this tortilla fold, Reagan. So this is going to be one of our better Facebook Lives. But this is a trick that I keep seeing in my feed, not in my TikTok feed, because I don't know what that is. But this is everywhere. And it's so genius, but it's a quesadilla. So let's just say that. But I'm going to make two. And what I've done is I've done ingredients for a breakfast um, TikTok folded tortilla. Is it a quesadilla? And one that would be for Taco Tuesday. So let's get started. So what you need is a burrito size tortilla. So it's these guys. And what I have done is put together a pretty typical lineup of breakfast items. So I've got a scrambled egg, I've got some cheese, and I did some crispy bacon, and then I did frozen hash browns. So these are just potatoes that you get in the freezer section. They're pre-shredded potatoes and there's no seasoning on them. And I used our caramelized onion, avocado oil, and spud spice, which is delicious and a great way to make frozen hash browns sing. So those are the components. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the fold and I'm going to pretend like I know what I'm doing, but I've never done it before. Okay. So you make a cut. You go to the center of the tortilla and you make a cut down. So now you've got this cut right here. And so imagine you have four quadrants. And I am going to set up my ingredients in these quadrants sort of flat, but not thin necessarily. And I'm going to put my cheese. I keep seeing people put cheese right here. And it makes me wonder if they know what they're doing because I don't. And then I'm going to do my bacon here. It's going to be great, Reagan. We're doing it. And then I'm going to do just super crispy hash browns with that spud spice and then sizzled in that caramelized onion avocado oil. Come on. And then I've got scrambled eggs. So what could go wrong? All right, here we go. Now here's the fold. You chime in the comments and give me tips. So I'm going to do this fold. Everybody with me? We're going this way. Then, y'all, Reagan, I did it. There's the fold. Now look, you got to sizzle this. This is why, you guys, look, we can give all the credit to whoever came up with this on TikTok, but all day, every day, this is a quesadilla. All right. So in it goes. I'm going to crank my heat up. Oh, I'm getting a little sizzle. So look, that's kind of thick and you want it to be melty. So everything that went on there has got to be room temp or just cooked. So you don't want hot out of the skillet scrambled eggs, but not too far. Because to do this with cold ingredients, my cheese has even been sitting out for a second. You're never going to get this hot throughout here. Now, what I really want to do badly is take this skillet and put it on top and press it. And you can do that, but I need the skillet because I'm going to cook another one. So we're going to let this heat through, but that is my breakfast TikTok tortilla. We didn't know what to call this dish. So we just used a lot of words, but that is sizzling away. I'm getting some bubbles on here. Watch. Oh, that looks amazing. I drizzled our jalapeno oil into the skillet. You can do any of our flavored oils, but that one made sense to me. Okay, so I have enough to make another one. So that's 2 scrambled eggs, a couple of pieces of bacon, about 3/4 of a cup of frozen hash browns, and then some cheese. And that is plenty to make 2 of these. So that's TikTok fold number 1. All right, number 2. Here we go. Look, I think I like this one better. Okay, so let's get that cranked up. And then what we're going to do is, again, make that cut. I feel like an expert now, Reagan. What? Okay, there's that cut. So I think the key to these is this burrito sized tortilla for sure, and that it's a flour tortilla. But I've got that cut, and now I'm imagining these 4 quadrants. So our recipe on the website is for the breakfast fold, but now you're going to just let your imagination take over. And so what I have done is I have some ground beef that I sauteed in our jalapeno extra virgin olive oil, and I used our barbacoa rub. So barbacoa simply means barbecue, and this is a little bit on the spicier side. It's really fun, and I love mixing up ground beef for tacos or ground turkey for tacos with this blend. I love our Taco Tuesday blend, but barbacoa is really, really nice. So I've got my 4 quadrants, and I'm going to do, look, I pay attention when I watch these videos. They all put cheese right here. So I'm going to follow along. And then I'm going to go in with my ground beef that I sizzled in our jalapeno olive oil and barbacoa. And I just did it, and I just turned the heat off and let the big heat come away from it. I have no way of turning this thing. It's okay. We're a professional operation here. I want to see what, Reagan. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh, it's fantastic. I'm so excited about that. Okay. Y'all, I did it. Okay. So my taco meat that is not blazing hot, I let the heat dissipate. So I've got it warm, but definitely not cold out of the fridge. And then I'm going to do salsa. So just a beautiful local, salsa that we have in our cabinet. And so I'm going to do salsa here. And everything I've seen when people do these is they get it fairly spread out. So it's not so much that it's thin, it's just spread out. And then I'm going to do avocado. So you can mash this into a spread. But my avocado slices are thin and it's really ripe. So I feel like they're going to cooperate really, really well. Okay, here I go. I don't have a towel to wash my hands. Okay, here I go. We're going to fold up. Is everybody doing this tonight? Come on. This is fantastic. And then over, and then down over the avocado. I'm a little worried about that avocado, but we are okay. All right, I'm going to get some oil in here, and then my front skillet is really talking to me, and we're going to see, y'all, come on. That's fantastic. All right, I want to get that one off, and then we are going to, I'll be right back. We're going to watch our dinner time fold, and I am going to cut into this one and talk about this one. So, gosh, Reagan, you could go on and on with linking recipes that we already have on our website that would work in here. I mean, everything from a sliced up sheet pan chicken, our pickled onions, our slow roasted tomatoes, on and on and on. Just lots of things that would work in here that will get you to dinner time without a lot of stress. Maybe things that are already in your fridge or freezer that you can cook. But this guy is ready to cut. Oh, come on. That is your new breakfast for dinner. That is making me super happy. Eggs, bacon, hash browns, cheese in a tortilla, all ready to go. Here's also what you're doing. You're gonna be super casual about it. Like, what? I just, I'm just good at this. Brunch with your friends. You're gonna have them over and they're gonna be like, what is this? And you're gonna be like, "Psh, that's just what I do." Okay, this one's sizzling away. This skillet had a little extra minute to get preheated. So, ooh, look at that. So now at this point, you've got, you guys know I love this. You've got this beautiful golden brown presentation side. Now you can knock your heat down and let it cook through slowly and get warm. And there you go. That is supper. Look, your teens and tweens know this. They've seen this, trust me. And they need to be in the kitchen making this for you guys because this is fun. This is a great way to get to dinner or breakfast for dinner. I'm going to take a bite. Mm, come on. So delicious. Everything you love about breakfast, all in a little compact package. You guys know this is what I do. I talk to you with my mouth full, but this was so much fun. I'm so glad this came across my feed and I learned how to do this. And I did it for the first time in front of you guys. Never practiced before. So you know it's doable. I want to see, look, my head's cut off. I want to see which ones you guys make. I want to see those four quadrants and what you load onto there and all the creative ways that you put these together because this is fun and I can't wait to hear from you. Okay, I'm going to take another bite, but I'm going to sign off to Tik Tok fold. I don't know what we call them. It's it's a quesadilla. Look, someone's alarm's going off because they're so excited about this. All right. I'll see you guys next time. I always have fun doing these. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Make one of these, and we want pictures of how you put them together. All right. Thanks, guys. Bye.